Take a walk. Can you escape the vape? Spot the danger zones ahead. When something, no matter its dangers, is popular among your friends or family, it can be near impossible to resist. It's been seen before with cigarettes, where people chose to ignore the blackened lungs and hacking coughs. Now, we have a new challenge of multi-flavoured, multicoloured, but multi-risk vapes. How do we resist?
Guys, I got a new vape. It's strawberry flavoured.
That's so cool.
I know.
I got that idea. That's great.
You guys should try it. I think it's really cool.
They're being boring.
They're too scared to do it.
Just try it. You never do anything that we do.
They won't even try it.
They're too scared to do it.
Just give it a go.
Don't be boring.
You'll love it.
Stop being so boring.
They're too scared to do it.
Don't know what their problem is.
Just give it a go. You're so sad. I don't think I can hang out with you anymore.
Yeah, you never do anything with us.
Stop being so boring.
Go on, try mine.
They're too scared to do it.
Can you escape the vape?
Just try it.
I don't think we should hang out. Just give it a go.
Go on, try mine. Don't get
Just have a talk to someone you trust.
Boring.
Choice is in your hands.
Your life, your choice.
You've got the power.
The choice is in your hands.
Don't give in.
You've got the power.
Talk to someone you trust.
Don't give in. Don't be misled. Vaping isn't harmless.
You can still escape the vape.
The choice is in your hands.
Be smart. Don't start.